And we continue to improve the rendering with Twilight Render plugin. So I'm going to select template material at this level, and we are going to choose the different elements. So we go on pick a material from the send to edit. I click here, and I'm going to see different material. Let's start with the bathroom. For example, I select the tiles here, and the aim is to go on template and to choose a template for every texture, every material. I go on template, and here I can select, for example, tile and flat. Like this. Then I'm going to go on the shower. I can select this, template also, and I can select tile and flat. Tile flat, why not to add bump also? So I can go SketchUp and I can add bump like this. Here I can select that, I can go template, and I can select metal and, for example, aluminium. Then I'm going to click on this part. I'm going to go on template, and I select translucent, or I select architectural glaze and common. Like that. Then I continue, and I'm going to click on here. So I select first this part, I go on template, I can go on, or this time I can select plastic flat. Or first I'm going to select this part. And template, plastic and flat. Like this. Then I'm going to select the mirror. Or here on the tile, I'm just going to choose like this. I move little to see better, and here at this level I'm going also to edit that, so I click in template material again, and I'm going to choose this element, and on this element I'm going to go on template and also so I can go on architectural glass and mirror, like this. So it's okay for that. Then I can take this part, I can go on template, and I can select also, yes, I think tile and flat. Then I go also here. Alors, let's come back. Let's come back here. I can select that. And I can go on template, tile, and flat also. Like this. I can select here the ground, so the ground template for the floor, tile, and I can select flat also. I'm going to select this door. I go on template, wood, and I can select flat also. And I continue outside. Alors here I'm going to go on the room. So on the room I select this part, template, wood, and flat. Then I'm going to select this part, and I can go also on template, wood, and I select satin. Not this time, I'm going to go on template. I'm going to go on, for example, I can go on, now this time textile, and I select wallpaper. Like that. I continue, I take this time, I select template, tile, and flat. Now here I'm just going to come back at this level, and I would like to add bump, it's okay. Then I can continue with this part, template, and I can go on textile, and I can select carpet, and after bump, also I can go on SketchUp, and I can add little bump. Can continue, so this I have just to go on template, wood, and flat. This template, textile, and for example fabric. And I can go also bump, SketchUp, and I can add little bump like that. I continue with the bed and template, textile, and also I can select fabric, like that. I continue, I'm going to select this furniture, template, wood, and flat. Like this. Then I go on the window here, I can select this part, can go on template, wood, and flat also. Then I select the glaze, template, architectural glaze, and I can select common. Like that. And we can continue at this level, or here just for this part, as here it's a component, I'm going to have exactly the same parameter in the mirror here and the mirror here. So if I click here, for example, I have architectural glass mirror already, so it's okay. If I click here, I have also plastic flat. I can edit here the wallpaper, so I can go wallpaper and I can select template, textile and wallpaper. And I can improve little the bump, and for the bump, color SketchUp, and like this.